Let's continue Be'ezer Hashem Hilchos Teshuvah, Shir number 29. The Teshuvah of Rosh Hashana. Rosh Hashana is a special day. Rosh Hashana, Yom Kippur, all Aseres Teshuvah, but Rosh Hashana is a very special day for Teshuvah. The Rambam teaches us in Perik Beis from Hilchos Teshuvah, Halacha Vav, Af al pi shehateshuvah ve'atze'aka yafa la'olam, doing Teshuvah in crying, davening to HaKadosh Baruch Hu is always good and always nice. Be'asara hayomim shebein Rosh Hashana ve'Yom Kippurim hi yafa be'yoser. This 10 days that start from Aleph Tishrei, the first day of Rosh Hashana, till Yom Kippur, till Ne'ilah of Yom Kippur, it's very nice. Umiskabeles im yad, accepted immediately, shene'emar dirshu Hashem beimatzoi, and it's beyachid, and that's why, says the Rambam, everyone knows that we mechazek ourselves in doing Teshuvah in these days. But there is also something very interesting about the Teshuvah of Rosh Hashana Yom Kippur. First of all, both together, the Reb Shlomo Kluger and the Sefer Keiles Yaakov and Drush Rosh Hashana, Drush Daled, comes with a big chiddush with a lot of rayas to say that even always there was a darge of tzaddik, right? A degree of a tzaddik, someone that always was a tzaddik, and there was someone a Bal Teshuvah. And Bal Teshuvah, we say, the Rambam teaches us, the mile of Bal Teshuvah is even more than a tzaddik, but basically it's a machlokes in Gemara. Rabbi Vod, Rabbi Yochanan, the darge of a tzaddik more than a Bal Teshuvah, or Bal Teshuvah more tzaddik, a famous argument about Bal Teshuvah versus tzaddik, who's more. And the Maharal explains that they have, it's like two Mahalchim, because you have, there is something by Bal Teshuvah more than the tzaddik, conquers his passion, the kovesh is yitzray, and there was a darga of tzaddik that is clean, he's pure, he never sinned. And a tzaddik meikare, he was always a tzaddik, and it's also a madrega, and that's why it was the argument in the Gemara between Rabbi Vod and Rabbi Yochanan, which degree is more, a tzaddik or Bal Teshuvah. But Rabbi Shlomo Kluger wants to say that as someone that does Teshuvah these days of Rosh Hashana Yom Kippur, he has a mile of a tzaddik meikare. The whole year, if you do Teshuvah, then you're darga of a Bal Teshuvah. That's a machlokes Rabbi Yochanan with Rabbi Vod. If it's a Bal Teshuvah more than a tzaddik more than Bal Teshuvah. But if you do Teshuvah this day of Rosh Hashana, you count a darga of tzaddik meikare, that's even more than a darga Bal Teshuvah, lekule alme, lekol hadayos. Everyone agrees that this darga is more, and that's a chiddush from Reb Shlomo Kluger. But there is a difference between the darga, the Teshuvah of Rosh Hashana, and the Teshuvah of Yom Kippurim. It's also from Reb Shlomo Kluger, and also more Sfarim speak about it. Yom Kippur, we go back to the actions we did till today, the thoughts we thought, the words we spoke the whole year and years before, and we do Teshuvah and everything what we did. Rosh Hashana, the action of Teshuvah, the way of Teshuvah of Rosh Hashana is different. Rosh Hashana is not going back to what we did the whole year and start thinking about it and start saying vidui. Rosh Hashana we say no vidui, right? Not only if Rosh Hashana is Shabbos, always Rosh Hashana we don't say vidui. Rosh Hashana, what are our prayers? What's our tefillas? Meloi chal kala olam kuloi bichvoidecha. HaKadosh Baruch Hu is king of the world, and he's my private king. I'm making a melech on my body, on my heart, on my eyes, on my thoughts, on my mind, and myself, and what I am, on my neshama. HaKadosh Baruch Hu is my king. That's the avodah of Rosh Hashana. Meloi chal kala olam kuloi bichvoidecha. Uvechein, and we asking HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Rebbeinu Shalom, take away from us even the bchira that the Sfasem speaks about a lot. Take away from us our bchira. Teim pachdecha. Give us pachad, give us fear, bring us close to you, even if we not so good about it. And if we will try to be good, it will not always work like it's supposed to be. We're coming in front of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, asking him for being close to him, asking him for dveikus. And we asking him, Rebbeinu Shalom, connect us to you, tie us to you, make us close to you, even that we're not so good and we don't know even how to do it in the right way. That's Rosh Hashana. It's a different way of Teshuvah. They call it in Sfarim like a Teshuvah of a ger, someone that converts to Judaism, right? So till today he was a guy, and now he goes to the mikveh, and he turns to the mikveh. If it's a zachar, so he needs also bris milah. If not, so it's only a mikveh, and he becomes a yid. And becomes a yid, it's everything what was till today, It means nothing. It's like ketinoik shenoilad. And there was a lot of rayas that also about teshuva is ketinoik shenoilad. It's more than on prioret, and there was midrashim, and we spoke about it once before. But there was bal teshuva is also ketinoik shenoilad. What was till today is one thing. It's erased. It means nothing. From now, a new person became over here, and that happens. Basically, that's the teshuva of Rosh Hashana. Not to go into what I did and why I did. Only from now on, I'm a tzaddik. Ribono shel olam, you are my king. This is the day of the coronation, yeah, that we machtir HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and we bring us and himself as a melech, and he's our king, and we asking Ribono shel olam, help us that we should last with it, and we should have the pachad of you and yiras shamayim, like it's supposed to be, to continue on. And that's what Rosh Hashana brings us, and be'ezras Hashem we should be zoiche to be machtir HaKadosh Baruch Hu, mamlichem anos, and be zoiche to Hashana Tova u'Mesukkah.